Thank you for clicking on the video about our inflatable hot tub. Today we're going to be going over just general care, checking the levels, and making adjustments if needed. Alright, let's have a look-see. See what we're really dealing with here. If you've watched any of our videos before, you'll know the test strips that we use. This is Easy Test Pool and Spa test kits, test strips, and honestly, it's the we still have that much left, and purchased a tub almost a year and a half ago now. Okay, just over a year ago. Okay, when testing the tub with your test strips, what I do is I put it in the tub about 1 second, pull it back out, and then it has this fancy chart right here on the back that really is nice. So you kind of just match it up, make sure your colors are where you want it to be. Just by looking at this, I can see I'm pretty happy with it. I really don't have any complaints right now today. So yeah, we're not going to do anything today. Okay, I realize I wasn't very clear as to what it actually says on the back of this test kit. It can do hardness, chlorine, bromine, total chlorine, cyanuric acid, total alkalinity, and pH. So when I hold this up, and one thing to remember is the colors change over time, so it's really important that you dip it and you test it quickly. You want to make sure the Chem Connect, Saluspa Chem Connect, is actually full of chemical. As you can see, it's getting down there, but it still has some that it's circulating into the waters. If you're not familiar with the Saluspa Chem Connect, the way it works is you have a plus sign and a minus sign. So if you realize you need more sanitizer in the water, you just kind of move it over. You don't go until it's unlocked, because if it's unlocked, it'll actually separate, allowing you to view the chemical or add more. But say sanitizer is high, you don't need any more, you can either leave the unit out and let the sanitizer go down on its own, or you can just turn it all the way to the minus, or, you know, hey, wow, I really could use some more, put it to the plus. So it's kind of a cool system. During my routine maintenance, I like to look at the chemical, and then I also like to look at the filter. If you buy them in bulk, you can actually get them at a fairly good price. So you just unscrew it here, and these separate, and then in there is your actual filter. Now what I like to do is take it in and rinse it out. It just kind of cleans out anything. Yeah, I rinse it about maybe 3 or 4 times in between actually changing the filter. But today what we're actually going to do is we're going to add a new filter and just kind of clean the whole thing out. And I actually picked these up, and like I say, you pick them up in bulk. That's what I would do, because you're going to want to have these on hand. These aren't, I mean, your hot tub filters on like a big, on a large hot tub are going to be a lot bigger, and you can get more life out of them. But these are tiny. When you buy them in bulk, it's only $3.99 a piece. I think I did the math at somewhere in that ballpark. So what you're going to do is take your housing, slip your filter back on it, top piece goes over, clips in like so, and at that point you can just take the threaded piece there and drive it home. Now we're ready to put the filter back on. What I like to do is actually submerge it completely. I like to get all the air bubbles out of it. I don't know if the pump could get airlocked. I don't want to risk it, so I submerge it completely, put it back on, and thread it completely on there. I'd like to really thank you for watching the video tonight. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, comments, please post them below. I'll try to answer them when they come in. Otherwise, if you could hit the like button, I greatly appreciate it. Hey, maybe throw us a subscribe. We'll make more about the hot tub and see how long this thing lasts. Thanks. Take care.